So good morning Saigon, this is our fourth day mo na. So papunta kami coffee class. So untay muna kami ng Grab. So one of your pwede nyo i-book sa club is yun paggawa ng coffee. So parang tatlong sikat na coffee sa Vietnam yung ituturo sa amin guys. So hopefully mag-enjoy kami. Tapos matuto kami gumawa ng coffee na Vietnamese coffee guys. So hintay muna kami sa Grab. So, kita-kits na lang later guys. See ya! Saan tayo punta mo?
I don't know. Basta coffee class.
Hindi niya alam. May coffee class pala. Kasi kung dun sa Pilipinas, wala kami klase. Dito may klase kami. Yan guys, naka-uniform pa kami guys.
Black and white.
Black and white coffee. So, abang-abang na lang tayo.
Please gagagyan pa to.
Tapos ano pa, ito yung hanap na kami.
Surprise.
So naghanap kami ng balot kagabi around
Yeah, past 12.
12:30. So bigla talaga, balot sa Pinas, balot naman dito.
Buti na lang meron.
Buti na lang may nakita.
I ate two.
Two balots. Around 10,000 daw, 20 pesos lang. Pero ano to?
It's cheap here.
It's cheap. Pero
That's why you eat here. You come here.
nagasto
So,
kami
you
ng
know.
Grab ng 100, balot 40, so 140 din yung balot.
Naglakad up on our way. Pagmalik di na kaya. So we need to cook a Grab. Classmate.
Classmate guys. Uniform kami. So pag pumunta kayo, check nyo yung mga activities na pwedeng gawin dito. So mamaya, punta kami ng Landmark 81.
Surprise na.
Ano surprise dito guys. So at least
So
alam
we
nila.
booked via Grab going there. And it's raining.
It's raining in Saigon, natin Manila.
House Manila, House Cagayan de Oro. See you Saturday. Kapit na we'll be going home on Saturday. And it's his birthday. Happy birthday! Yay! How old are you now?
37.
So he's 38 this coming Saturday. So greet him guys.
Happy birthday myself. So yung klase namin guys is 9 AM. Ang oras na?
The time
My
there
God,
is
is
9:10.
9:10. Late kami ng 10 minutes.
10 minutes. We're going there for 4 minutes pa.
Oh my God. So late kami ng 15 minutes. Nagsimula na yung klase namin guys.
Late pa rin dito
Late
sa
pa rin
Saigon.
dito guys. So, nandito kayo, nag-book kayo ng mga activities. Make sure you're on time guys. Okay? Kasi medyo traffic na. Yun lang.
You know me, I'm always late.
Yeah, you're always late.
Good stuff.
dito sa Tamis, kabayo. Mukhang kabayo. Sarap. Sarap. Salted. Salt coffee. Okay, salt coffee.
egg coffee is better than the second one.
Try natin.
They get their balance, so you can
So from the top to the bottom.
I think I did something wrong. You see? And it's
Nice. Yeah.
Oh no, not finished.
This is better than
It doesn't look like it.
Yeah, that's really good.
You have a lot of it now.
Masarap siya guys. Kaysa, ano yung kanina? Coconut coffee. Mas masarap siya. So, last one coffee na lang. Tapos na tayo sa taas.
I'll bring this in my coffee shop.
Yum yum coffee. Yummy yummy. Yummy yummy.
The name is For Coffee Shop. Yum 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 name.
Okay, so one more time, thank you everyone. Thank you. Yeah, you're making my day. Yeah.
So, tapos na yung class. Certificate. So, na-treat na kami sa apat na floor. Tapos ang office yung natapos na furniture office yung ganda. So, I hope na madadala nga sa Pilipinas. Sarah. Sarah from Vietnam.
Yeah, I hope.
Street guys. So, ano to? Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ano to, books. So, basically this is your place. Tapos may mga souvenirs, ref magnet, tapos pamaypay, ano pa ba? Yun. Books, lots of books. So, try nyo dito. Tabi lang to ng post office guys. So, saan tayo ma?
We're now here in Ho Chi Minh Book Street.
Book Street guys. So, kung mahilig kayo sa books,
Not like us.
so punta kayo isang ano to, street na puro books lang. So, souvenirs, ref magnet, lahat meron dito. Pero medyo mas mataas yung price compared dun talaga sa market nila. If bibili kayo ng mga ref magnet saka yung mga pasalubong. So, yun guys. Good evening. So, saan tayo ma? We're going to
Landmark 81.
Landmark 81. So, binok namin to sa Klook. Tapos, around 1,000 pesos yung bayad namin entrance. So, nandito na kami guys. So, check natin yung sa mall. Nandito para sa loob ng mall. So, from the entrance, bababa pala tayo guys for the ticket. So, may ticket naman tayo kasi nakabook na tayo sa Klook. So, QR code na lang ipapakita natin. So, ticket counter. Claim muna natin yung ticket, guys. So, pag pumunta kayo dito sa Landmark 81, guys, dito sa baba, daming pagkainan, guys. So, halos lahat nung ano to, from Chinese, Japanese, ano ba ba, Indian, nandito. So, di kayo magugutom dito pala. So, I don't know lang sa mga price. Baka medyo mas mahal compare sa ano to, labas. So, claim muna natin yung ticket na nabook natin sa Klook. Good evening! Ticket for 2?
2 ticket?
Yeah. So, ito yung rate nila guys. Check nyo na lang. So, Monday to Friday, 300,000 for standard ticket. Tapos we have combo ticket, 480,000. So, around 900 pesos and 600.
You recommend.
So, ito yung ticket natin guys. Saan tayo ma? Landmark 81 Sky View.
Okay, take your. Không biết luôn. Take your photo here. Put your bed on the table.
Okay. So may free picture pala guys. So dito tayo papuntang sky. Sky. Fly high sky. Galing 79, walk tayo to 80 to 81st floor. So, kita mo talaga yung city guys. So yung top view guys, ito yung free na VR. Pwede ka maglaro dyan. Pakita mo lang yung ticket. Hangak! So over here. So nandito na kami sa top guys. Okay lang kami sa queuing kasi. So that's why yung pila. Tapos hintayin-hintayin lang tayo matapos sila. So tapos na kami ayun sa photo guys, may free kasi na photo. So namili lang kami ng dalawang picture. Tapos yun, hintayin na lang namin mag-print mamaya. So pumunta muna kami dito sa labas para ma-experience yung city vibes in the top. So hintayin.
Ready, sing a new tune.
Cards.
We go party.
Yeah, we're going to party. No, bye. I'll pick up you later.
We'll see you in
So, my friend tayo, guys. Mahilig sa party. Michael?
Michael.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
From
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Yeah, so we're gonna go. Your wife and my wife, they're gonna look around.
Yeah. Then we're going to party.
Yes, sir.
So, mahilig si Sir ng parties. Yung misis naman niya, mahilig din sa peaceful beach.
Tell me secrets, power of words. Tell me stories, legend before.
Yun, kabit na. Power Ranger. Go? Okay, let's go. So, for your safety, tapos hila mo lang yung... Oh my God. Nice view from the top.
So why that look on your face, the tears in your eyes?
So, sa baba, may park. Din sa baba.
Oh, it's so strong when I'm trying to hold on. I just wanna be by your side and see your face.
Pwede yung unli ikot dito, guys. Pero sure, baka maganda din yung sunset dito. So, minsan, pag may time kayo, guys, try nyo yung hapon. Kasi kami kanina, wala. Late na kasi kami. So, gabi na lang.
Oh, the only ones I no wonder why. If I can't have you, I just wanna die. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby.
Yung egg tart nila, guys, is hindi matamis. Ito tayo. Trinay lang namin dito sa parang bake shop na sa labas. Yung bestseller daw nila.
Sayang, dili tamis.
Sayang, hindi matamis. Parang ano lang. With sugar.
Fine line between giving up.
So, nandito na tayo sa... Saan tayo, ma? Kai? Puti Kai. Flower and Food Street Market. So, parang Pratunam lang sa atin.
I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me.
Thank you. So, yung bulaklak nila, guys, is 150,000 dong, para 300 pesos lang. Pero, yun. Laki na. Yeah, this is a food street, guys. So, must try. So, sa lahat na mahilig ng foods, dyan, street foods. So, try nyo puntahan to dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Gusto nyo ano daw, kainin nyo yung wala sa Pilipinas, guys. Try nyo kainin yung wala.
I know it's been hard hill to climb.
So, saan tayo, ma? Nabudol na naman siya. Bumili siya ng... Yeah, kasi kanina nag-shopping na kami. sa mall. South Mall yun. Shopping kami kahapon din. So yun, ngayon. Last minute, budol daw. So, ano to? May nakilala kami dito magaling sa English ng Vietnamese. Mabait, tinutulungan niya yung halos mga tourists. Tapos yung mga kapwa Vietnamese niya to communicate. So, here. Chill muna. Nag-order kami ng sugarcane juice. Ang laki guys ha. For 15,000 dong. Ang laki oh. Simple. Simple. Oh, look. So refreshing guys. So gusto nyo ma-refresh. Pag pumunta kayo dito guys, try nyo. Sugarcane juice. Masarap tsaka healthy pa. Oh, ang laki oh. Oh. Okay guys, 15,000 dong. So, kumain kami ng balot kanina sa labas. So, yung balot dito is, magkano ngayon? 9,000 dong. So, kumain,
18 ha, 18.
yeah, kumain siya 3 piraso.
Tulong.
Ah, 2 lang pala. So, 2 lang kinain niya. Mamaya na yung ano to. Yung isa. So, advice namin yung pag pumunta kayo dito sa food street nila, kung ano hindi nyo nakakain sa Pilipinas o sa ibang bansa, guys, kainin nyo na. Tapos yun, kung ano yung mga sale, yung mura dito, bilhin nyo na guys. Para mapapamura kayo.
Love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's
So, basically, pagkain, barbecue, seafoods, shell, ano pa ba, yung makikita dito sa street na to. Lahat ng mga, may balot dito, shakes, juices, tapos yung pancake nila. So, ang haba pa nito guys.
people would travel far and wide just to see how.
So, kung food trip yung hanap nyo, pwede kayo dito. So, we're going to Panoy. Parang isang resto. Mo naman? Try muna kami ng grab namin. Tapos, yun. Try natin kasi hype na hype siya sa social media. Puni Panoy. So, saan tayo punta mo? Puni Panoy. This is our 5th day.
Better, it's so sunny from rain last night.
Magandang gumala na guys. So, check natin kasi nga yung Unibano is hype na hype siya sa social media guys, sa TikTok. So, try natin kasi nga sabi nila masarap daw yung beef. Yung beef doon.
Steak?
Steak. Yeah. So, try natin if ano to, i-rate natin kung masarap pa siya with it or baka na night lang.
So, the apartment cafe.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh no, not recommended.
Not recommended. No, I highly recommend.
No.
Not clean. No, it's clean.
I'm not. I found an angel. I found my angel. Am I yours? Oh, I found my angel. I found an angel. Hell of a time. I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the pond. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby. Get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride. Percy Beach is the spot. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine. Drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky.
This is how you eat here. Hindi, blur pa. But that's great.
Ah, sige.
One coke, please.
Sarap. Ano? Worth it ba? Worth it? Worth it. Tapos yung badminton. Skimber. Sarap. So yung in-order namin dito guys is yung beef steak na may sausage tsaka parang liver spread with egg. Tapos yung isa naman is yung in-order mo mais
Steak with canned fish.
beef steak with canned fish. So ito yung in-order namin. Sarap guys, so hindi talaga ito na-hype. Hindi talaga ito na-hype. Masarap talaga. So try nyo pupunta sa Bano. Ano to? Bone Bano. Masarap yung beef niya guys. Kasi nga malambot. Tapos juicy siya. Lahat ng lasa na sa beef. Malalasan mo talaga.
There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on the road, we're killing time. In our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright. It's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. It's a hell of a time. Oh, hell of a time. She was out there alone on the highway.
So, dito tayo sa coffee. Harap nung Pink Park, Pink Church. So, iba, yun, nagkakapila dito kasi mas maganda picture dito sa harap. Tapos aircon pa. So, pumunta kayo dito sa Tandem Pink Church, punta kayo sa dalawang coffee shop dito guys. Maganda yung maraming turista dito nagtatambay.
Songs for a mockingbird. Looking at me, she sang every word. Songs for a mockingbird.
Kasi nasa harap na yun ang Pink Church. So, yung coffee shop na dito guys is nasa harap lang talaga. Gusto mo tumambay dito, pwede na. Kita mo yung Pink Church. So this is one of the pwede nyo bisitahin dito sa Ho Chi Minh guys, yung Pink Church.
We were out on the beach, covered in midnight. She made love to me under the stars. But now I'm sure it wasn't worth believing.
So yung order namin is passion fruit, tapos ano yung sama? Coconut coco, tapos percent na may condensed. Yung passion fruit, refreshing siya kasi galing mainit sa labas. Tapos kayong So, one of the best coffee in Vietnam. Tapos yun, super maganda. Yung nasa na iba din. Tapos may mga parang ingredients sila na nag-iiba yung taste ng passion fruit. Tapos the basis naman is yung coconut cocoa. Yun, masarap din.
It tastes like coconut.
There through the Polaroid in a fireless lake.
So, how's the experience?
Nakatapin? Really ba? Nakasunod. Nakasunod. Only outside the pink church.
So, close yung church pagpunta namin guys. So, I don't know the visiting hour schedule. So, pag pupunta kayo dito, so, light out ako ganda din. But wala siya guys. So, nasa harap lang ng Pink Church yung dalawang coffee shop na hypes sa social media ngayon. So,
Kong coffee.
Kong Coffee masarap yung
Coconut.
cacao. Tapos yung order ko is passion fruit, masarap din. Tapos yung croissant na may condensed milk. So, ano pa man?
That's it.
That's it. So,
Just a picture.
just a picture lang. Same doon, Pink Church sa Danang. So, same din. So, yun lang. Gusto nyo na isang activity na ano to. Kasi wala sa Pinas yung Pink Church. Eh.
Good thing na ay Catholic Church ang
Yeah. So, sa lahat ng ano to, gustong bumisita dito, this is one of the highlights na puntahan nyo guys. So, yun lang. See you sa next stop namin.
I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you
So, ito yung pong room natin for the week guys. So, this is the river view side. So, ito yung CR niya. Tapos, yun, parang may sink daw to tsaka mirror. Tapos, yung bed naman natin is nandito. So, maganda yung room, bago. Tapos, yung building niya bago. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun. Yun lang guys. Yung design niya. Tapos, yun lang. So, we're staying this at this hotel for a week. So, I hope mag-enjoy tayo. So, room tour na tayo.
There is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you.
So, saan tayo ma? Punta tayo sa...
Best Bunny in Pushimin.
Okay, check natin if talagang best pa doon. So,
You see guys.
You are like a summer breeze.
okay.
So it's far from our hotel.
Is it
So it's
possible
like
for us
5
to feel this way forever? I hope you
Nandito na tayo guys. So, may pila pala dito. So, order lang natin yung isang banh mi lang. Kasi nga, malaki daw yung banh mi dito. So, yun lang.
Is it possible for us to feel this way forever?
So, iba yung pila sa pag-order, iba yung pila sa pag-pick up. So, yun. May mga price na din dito kung ilang piraso yung bibilin mo. Tapos, yun. Pick up nilang dahil. Haba din yung pila. Hintay lang tayo sa turn natin. Check natin yung masarap pa talaga. So ito yung banh mi nila guys. Same size.
Bigger than my face.
Bigger than your face. Malaki talaga. So check natin. Tapos may mga gulay-gulay siya. So ikaw na bahala. Okay. So try natin. Laki kahit slice. Check natin. So dalawa lang kayo. Pwede isa yung order kasi malaki siya. Ito nga pa. Mukha na. So try natin. Okay, ito sa mga gulay-gulay. So yan. Pwede yung lagyan mo. Kaya ako more on meat lang talaga. Harap? Guys, halo-halo na lahat ng meat ko. Nagdadan, overload talaga. Sarap talaga. Yeah? So, what's your experience with the banh mi?
Oh, this is very good. It's full. It's very tasty. Compared to the other ones I've had, this one is really big. It's more it's pricier, but it's worth it.
Yeah. And it's clean.
Yeah. And we have gloves, so use everything in gloves. Use the money and fix the voucher.
Okay, thank you.
Oh no, step on our feet.
So ano yung masasabi mo sa banh mi nila?
Best day.
Yeah, best banh mi talaga dito. Ang laki. Tapos busy nila. So one of the best banh mi in town guys ito. Visit nyo ito guys. Kasi di kayo magsisisi. Ang laki ng banh mi nila tapos sulit talaga. Isang banh mi lang overload talaga ng pork. Tapos may halo-halo yung big na nasa loob.
Big bread, tapos yung toppings niya is kompleto.
Yeah, may kasama pang spicy na ano to, mga gulay, pipino, ano pa ba?
Signature na gulay.
Yeah. Tapos pwede naman kayo mag-order doon ng soda or yung yung order kanina? Ano? Sugarcane juice. So pwede din. So try nyo guys, if pumunta kayo, masarap talaga. Hindi kayo magsisisi.
See me get emotional.
So we're going back. Pauwi na kami ng Pinas guys. So
Goodbye, Saigon.
yun, traffic. Tapos
Balik kami Hashimi
at
with the
babalik kami
kids.
dito guys. Post na lang namin yung next travel namin dito with the kids. So far yung experience, yung pagkain, yung culture nila dito guys, diba? So salamat kasi nga yun na experience namin ganong culture as Vietnamese people. So pauwi na kami guys. May iyak na ako kasi hindi namin napuntahan lahat nung nasa itinerary namin guys.
That was part of God's plan para babalik tayo.
So yun,
We have many reasons to be back.
ang dami talaga guys. So hopefully pagbalik namin mapuntahan na namin lahat. Tapos yun lang. So going kami airport, hopefully hindi mataas yung line.
It's October
Immigration.
31 and it's his birthday tomorrow. Happy
No.
birthday! How's your birthday?
Do it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too. I want your body, I want your body, I want your body, just the body, I want your body, I want your body.
Happy birthday, Papa! Ala, yata, kandila ya. Happy birthday!
Bayot,
Ala, ano na yan, DJI? Isa pa.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
No, dagang game ka.
Forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Punta mo ko. Thank you. Thank you sa panag-prepare. Thank you sa pag-effort. Salamat kayo. Salamat kayo. Ako na-expect. Managanahan ko mga inani mga surprises bitaw. Ganaan ko mga inani yun. Gahop ko mga inani permente. Every time. Surprises ang gusto ko. So, mula to, thank you and God bless and happy birthday to all. See you sa next vlog. Thank you, family.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm